This is the fourth and the last part of the video to show how to do the assembly of the hoist. We have done most of them, and we just need to put another plate on this side, and there's a circlip there, there's a nut there. Okay, go to plate, use XO line, select hole, select the shaft, use mate this time, one side, this time, there. Then one more shape, XO line between the top hole, that's the whole line with this one, that's the whole line with that one. So we have this place in the position. Right. Next is to click on the shaft circlip, XO line, with that one. Right. Then do a mate surface, that surface. You don't need to worry about the orientation of the circlip. It can be in any directions, so there's no worry about that. The last one is put the nut here. So, like so. I've aligned them in the wrong place. They should be aligned to here. Select again. Click on the XO line. Align here. This one. This happens because I've already aligned this one. Right, the only way to actually make this align this one is to select this one, remove this relationship. Right. If it's happened anywhere before this point, you have to actually make sure that relationship has to be deleted before you actually apply another one. This. Okay, now you can see it's aligned to the right place. Then use mate. I select the wrong one, so that to mate that one. Okay, with this one. Now you can see it's on there. The whole hoist assembly is done now. Okay, that's it for this video.